Hi, Nick Anderson from Aerofloat, out here at the Edmonson Park development in Sydney for Fraser's Property Group, where we've installed 2 of our AeroCIRC DAFs to treat the wastewater that's generated from the food courts above. When the large food courts exceed 30,000 litres of wastewater capacity, it's a requirement to install a dissolved air flotation unit instead of grease traps. So here we've installed 2 AeroCIRC DAFs to treat waste streams from different ends of the building. Firstly, the wastewater gravitates from the food court above and is passed over a rotary drum screen where large food particles are removed. Then it gravitates to the AeroCIRC DAF where it's mixed with recirculated degassed nanobubbles to float the fine suspended solids, fats, oils and grease to the surface. A rotary scraper removes the suspended solids into a sludge chute where it's pumped to a sludge tank. From there, the sludge tank is pumped out by sucker trunk every couple of weeks. The whole plant is fully automated and Aerofloat staff has remote visibility of the water quality, water flow and status of the equipment. And Aerofloat staff service this plant regularly. For all your wastewater needs, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.